Hey, you guys. All right, so it is Monday, September 25th. So my birthday was a couple of days ago. I don't think we told you that. It was the 23rd. And I'm so excited because I just received the best belated birthday present. As you know, grandbaby number 4 was due October 1st. He was just born like within the last hour, and we get to go see him tonight, and I am so beyond excited. So more to come on baby Bodie Jack. We're currently prepping to paint the lower part of Curry and Braden's house and get this all finished up. We still got to tape off paper down there. There's Mike doing that. Even with just getting this primer coat on, it is amazing how different the house looks already. So just imagine it all white, Chantilly lace, soon and very soon. We got to the backside and our sprayer started giving us fits. We had a clog, and that's just always so incredibly frustrating, especially when you're so close to the end. Once we got that primer coat on and allowed it to dry for a few hours, we then moved back around to the front and started up with the Chantilly lace. The end. Painted or primed and painted today. All right, you guys, here's our precious new grandbaby number 4, Bodie Jack. He was born, like I said earlier, today, September 25th, and we are so in love, and Weston is now a big brother. Mike and Braden just ran and got all the supplies to build the steps for the back door today.
So what we did is we made us a jig so that, jigs are like the most important things ever, so we don't have to lift anything or touch anything. And we're putting our boards on and getting them square so that the stairs will be square. And on the back, I actually drew lines so he knows where the center's at, so he can draw lines on the back and know that they're centered up. See that one on that one? I didn't do it on the very first one because we realized we did it.
All right, so it is like 5:30 in the afternoon, and I have been working on t-shirts like crazy lately. I have a really big order that I'm working on, and I love making t-shirts. You all know that. I also need to mow really badly. Our grass has gotten out of control. We've had some rains. And ooh, look at that. It is so bad. But it's really hot out. So I would rather be making t-shirts or even watching my show, Virgin River. Does anybody else watch that? It's a super great show. But I need to mow, you guys. I've got to mow. I told Mike I would this evening. It's not like he makes me. I just love to mow. And so it's kind of my job, if you will. Sometimes he does it, sometimes he doesn't. Or we mow together, like he's on one, I'm on the other. But it's so hot. I just can't like psych myself up to go out and do this just yet. It's like I said, it's 5:30 and it's 90 degrees out. But in the mornings, I can't mow in the mornings right now because the dew is so heavy on the grass that it would like clog up the mower. It's just bad for the mower. So I've got to go mow. All right, so all that whining, griping, and complaining for nothing. I mowed. It ended up cooling off really fast. It's now 82 degrees. And when you're flying along on a mower, the breeze feels pretty good. So I was able to get practically all the mowing done. Sorry, I don't know how to flip the camera as I'm talking to you. But I was able to get all of this, all of that, except for way back there. And that'll just have to happen another day. But it's really nice out now. And so I think I'm gonna go take a shower and watch my show. So today I came out and Mike had moved everything out from the overhang on the side of the barn. He moved everything out of there, and now then he is using the tractor to clear out all of the manure. There's also hay twine, you name it. It's just been thrown under there for years and years and years. It had really piled up. And at one time he had pushed it all up in a pile. Some of it he did today too, but we park cars under here and equipment and different things, cars when it storms, but he's going to clear this out, and I'm hoping to come out and help him here in a little bit. I'm currently working on that t-shirt order that I mentioned earlier, so as soon as I finish up, I'm going to come out and help him. He finished up what he was doing, and then I took over for a bit, hauling the manure off to the field, and we are using it to fill in where they dug for Curry and Braden's lateral lines. There's low spots now, and so we're just filling that in. He had already done a whole bunch of it, and while I'm hauling the dirt, he is going to get the rake and come out here and level it all out. Right here, I am also just using this dirt to fill some holes. Where I'm doing that right now is where we had dug up some cinder blocks at one time that we had found buried. So this manure is perfect for that. And you know, it's going to be great fertilizer for sure. All right, so I just want to show you guys, we got this all cleaned out. I ended up scooping a lot of it, and we went and dumped the dirt in a lot of different places while Mike was like leveling and raking and doing things. And then he finished it out. But wow, that really made a difference under here. And it's nice because like when it storms, Curry and Braden can park under here as well, since they don't have a covered parking area right now out at their place. And then of course we have our tractor, four-wheeler, lawnmowers, all that jazz that we park under here. So we put some of the dirt here. There were low spots that needed filling, and then out at Curry and Braden's house we did a bunch as well. But I did not ever get to show you their steps completed. Braden and Mike worked on those a couple of days ago, and I forgot to come back out and show you that they finished them. So I'm gonna walk you over here and show you. All right, so here they are. And again, this is still just temporary until other things happen. The big deck that they're gonna build back here. But it's nice having this because, you know, they were stepping on a painter's bench before to come out of here, which was a little bit sketchy. Also, I need to show you, Mike came out and caulked this whole entire thing, and then after that dried, he put silicone on it. So now then water will not be able to get up under there. And that was the plan all along, was to do it just like this, and it turned out looking so great. So their house is basically done. Still need guttering, still got to paint window trim, but that is going to be for them to do. And then the decks that I've mentioned to you. But other than that, we're pretty much done out here. And so now then it's kind of exciting because we get to carry on with some of our projects. And, you know, some people think that they've held us up along the way. They haven't. You know, guys, we love our kids and we do what we can to help them out. So that's just how it is.
Oh, Pops.
Pops is out on the tractor today working, and I've got Weston here, and all the grandbabies are inside, and Weston is watching Pops over there on the tractor. Can you call him?
Pops.
Pops! Mike is working on clearing out this fence line a little bit. There was some wire and, again, overgrown bushes and branches and all kinds of stuff there, so he is taking care of that today. And while Mike was out working, I was loving on the babies. You guys, our hearts, well, let me just say, our hearts and the farm are overflowing with babies. We're so incredibly blessed and just can't believe we have 4 to love on now. Hello there.
Hey, here it is. It's a Friday.
Guys, this was a huge week, fun-filled week, surprises, as in Bodie Jack.
Yeah. Super great having him. Karen said something kind of interesting today, which was, hey, the boys are coming by, which, you know, that's the first time we get to say that in a long time. So that was really neat having both of them over. And I was excited for that. I'm excited for the fact that we are basically just done with Curry and Brains. We got a couple little things, but just getting all that big stuff out of the way was super cool.
That was a big fun project that we tackled for sure. Also, Mike did a ton of clean out underneath the overhang of the big barn. I got to help too. That was fun.
Yeah, I ran the tractor and did all that kind of stuff.
Lots of manure removal.
Well, it was cool. You know, it's enough dirt and hay and everything mixed in, a little bit of, you know, good stuff in there, fertilizer-wise. And we put some out already. In the places that we've put it out, the Bermuda grass has grown right over the top, and then it's really green compared to the places around it. So obviously it has a lot of fertilizer in it. And so we put that to good use, and I cleared some fence line. I don't even know if Karen even showed any of that.
But Weston and I rode around today and caught you out to work it.
Yeah, so it was fun. Good week to work. Got a lot of stuff done in the office. Getting ready for a really fun Friends and Family Day. That's in 2 weeks at our Open Door family. And so if you're anywhere near, I'm going to invite you to come on October 15th for Friends and Family Day. We'll have a lot of games and food and good fellowship and worship service and all that cool stuff. So,
that's right.
And this one had a birthday this week too. Almost forgot that part.
Another year older.
Yeah, she's ancient, so it is what it is. But anyway, thanks for always watching. And again, always, as you send cool stuff to us and let us know the answers to the questions. Those are really fun to read. Feel like we know some of you without ever meeting you.
You guys are some coffee drinking people.
Yeah, well, I got coffee again. We got it last night and then got it again today. So that's
At Rocket Brothers, by the way.
Twice in 2 days. Can't go wrong with that deal.
Yeah.
But anyway.
So this week I would like to know, what is your favorite TV series to watch? Like, I'm currently watching Virgin River and love it. I like all those kinds of shows. I watch that in all my spare time. But
my series that I like to watch is called NFL football.
Yeah. So let us know what you like to watch. And if we've asked these questions before, please forgive us. It's been a while. So anyways, yeah. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and we will see you guys next week.
All right. God bless.
If this is your first time watching our vlog, we would love for you to subscribe and ring that notification bell and check out our Flipping the Farm playlist.